Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a package I got in the mail today. I just ordered these pens off of Amazon. Got them in one day. I got one day shipping. Don't know how that worked out. Oh, I just realized I have my Labradorite crystal here. If you are into crystals, you know that this is a very unique and pretty stone. I was kind of working with this a little bit earlier, and it's very, very beautiful. Kind of has a, I want to say kind of like an iridescent quality to it. But anyway, let's get into the package. Now, if you saw my Instagram post not too long ago, you saw that I fell in love with the Pentel Sparkle Pop pens. Yes, my friends. I got one at Go Wild, and then I realized it was part of the swag that I got from my table, which was done by Sticker Geek Designs. I love her stickers. And she threw one of these pens in our goodie bag. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can find it. Here it is. It is the, I don't know if this is going to focus or not. But anyway, it is the Pentel Sparkle Pop. I think they're gel, metallic gel pens. Oh my God, they're amazing pens. And on Amazon, they had a, kind of like a, I guess, a gift, not really a gift box, I mean, it's kind of like a sampler box too, because there's other different pens in this. Oh, it's called a collector's edition, and I hope I am not gonna hurt myself trying to open this. And look how cute the box is. So look at how cute, you guys. Okay, so there's different pens, I guess, in the series. You have the Milky Pops. Then you have the Solar Pop, and I think these are the neon pens. And then these are the Sparkle Pops, the ones I love, really, really love. Now, excuse me, these kind of have a fatter tip, and I'm hoping this is going to focus. I don't know if it, oops, I don't know if it will. But these kind of are more of a bold tip. And then the neon ones, I'm not sure if this is like a medium tip. Oh no, this one says fine. What did this one say? Yeah, this one says bold. And then for the Milky, this one says medium. And you can see the tip. Now, if I were better prepared for this video, I probably would have done some, gotten some paper to do some pen tests and pen samples. However, I don't have something nearby. But let me see if I can find something. Hold on. Okay, so I went ahead and just grabbed a note paper, and I hope this is going to focus. But you can see I did a test with the Sparkle, the Orange, the Milky, and then the Solar. And the camera's probably not picking it up, but the Solar is like a neon orange color. And then the Sparkle has like, kind of like a metallic-y sheen to it. So I'm really, really excited to use these. Now, if you're interested in these pens, or if you already know how wonderful they are, I will link them down below in case you wanted to order them on Amazon, but I'm so excited to play with these. And like I said, I think you're supposed to get 30 pins, which I hope I did get. I didn't count these. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, or maybe you're supposed to get 20. Oh, wait. 21. Are you supposed to get 30 pins? I don't know how many you're supposed to get in here. It doesn't say. But anyways, I will check to make sure I got all of the pins because the box was sealed. So, but anyways, that's going to be it for this quick video. I just wanted to share this with you guys in case you didn't know about these wonderful pens by Pentel. They're called Sparkle Pop, Milky Pop, and Solar Pop. Okay? I'll have all the info linked down below. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.